Hey guys, Dean here from Turbski Brothers YouTube channel. So this is where the car's at now, and looks fucking amazing and goes pretty good too. So the other Turbski brother couldn't be here, but you'll see him soon. You probably all know him already. So yeah, grab a cold one and see where this big nugget all started from. Cheers. Holy fuck.
Yay.
Fuck yeah, she's running. Oh yeah, idling all by itself. Morning guys. So let me tell you a bit about this Calais of mine. So it started life as a L67, still is an L67, but yeah, just taking the supercharger off it, intake manifold, all that sort of shit, put it back to an eco top end, but I'm running the L67 heads. I've got a reverse plenum there. I've got all my intercooler on already on the front. yeah, I've just got this on there temporary because I drive it every day. It was just so I could drive it to work for a week. But yeah, so today's mission, we're going to be fitting a turbo, all the manifolds, all the lines, oil feed, water feed and return lines for both of those. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get cracking into it. Just a bit of a tip too before I jump into this. So when you're wrapping anything in exhaust wrap, I always like to throw it in a bucket of water. It takes out the itch, or probably 90% of it. Because if you do wrap it without wetting it, you get very itchy. So just a little feature there, mate, just easy as that. It looks alright too. So yeah, the water takes the itch out. So 100% recommend put in water before wrapping. Next thing to do, I've got to take off all this side, shit on the side of the motor. Same with on this side, so I can get the extractors off. And then I can put the manifolds on. Alright, so everything's apart now. Extractors are taken off. Exhaust is still sitting down there, which I might have to try and move it over a bit to get the pipe around the back. Next thing is to bolt all this goodness on. First problem I run into, so I've got the manifold on this side for the turbo. Haven't put the standard one back on this side yet, but I'm getting to that. But I have a big problem. This thing is sitting way too high. So I've got a blow-off valve, not blow-off valve, a wastegate adapter underneath. I'm gonna have to take that off to keep it under bonnet. But that does look pretty cool just sitting out there. So maybe I should just cut a hole in the bonnet. Inner curl piping's on to the turbo. Turbski. Now we just got to run that oil feed line and the oil return. And then put it back together and it should be all sweet. Stay tuned. It's back on the ground. Pipe set up. Oil feed line running down there with the oil pressure switch. Return line running down there to the sump. So drain the oil, just put new oil in it, and then I can put it back together and start it. driving the big rig, just taking it to the exhaust shop. Just give her a little bit, not too much. Straight out the dump pipe. Sounds kind of cool, actually. Picked it up from the exhaust shop. Just got the screamer pipe plumbed into the dump pipe further back down. So that's what it sounds like. Fuck. Shit, she goes. Wow. Blown away by that. Sounds so quiet. Long to get to 100. It's only running 8 psi, so I should be able to bump it up a little bit more.